said there are footprints and all, and I'm just like walking here, just casually. It's kind of funny. And wow, there's actually all these steep hills. The car needs to go up there. You can see the Hollywood sign hidden.
What she's having, you're gonna need a bigger boat. Take a guess.
That was Jaws.
Yes, you're correct.
Good morning, guys, from San Francisco. Today will be our last day, sadly, and yeah, but we will be flying to Los Angeles later in the afternoon, which will be fun and many more places to visit. But yeah, now we're just packing and we're gonna have breakfast now, our last breakfast here. So yeah, I will miss this place, guys. But yeah, we'll be heading out now. So yeah, let's carry on with the day. Alright, so today we'll be exploring this new brunch place we want to try out because we have always had breakfast in the hotel. So yeah, we'll just, we'll try something new. I don't know what's the name of this cafe called, but yeah, we've like passed by it a couple of times and it looks kind of cool. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we're back in the hotel room just doing our last preparations before the flight. But yeah, I gotta say that breakfast place that we had there, that was really just the finest eggs I've ever tasted. Like, those eggs are just in the pancakes. Yeah, that was a really huge portion for me. But yeah, it was really worth it. Like, if you guys want to check it out, it's called Hollywood Cafe and lunch. Yeah, probably just a brunch area, but it doesn't open for dinner. So yeah, that was really, I really like all these cafes along the street or the sidewalks, whatever you call it. All these, yeah, it's kind of lacking in Singapore because we don't have a lot of these like breakfast places. Maybe we have coffee shops, but pancakes or waffles, it's really hard to find back home. And yep, we're ready to go. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the plane. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, we just reached Los Angeles airport. Definitely a lot of people here, but the weather seems more sunny, a little more nice around here. We're gonna claim our baggage first before we head out. It's around 5 p.m. So yeah, it looks really hot out there. Yeah, which is good, which is a good thing, it's not as cold. So yeah, let's go. Finding our lift right over here. Just trying to navigate. It's pretty confusing. There's a lot of like roads and all these entrances. guys, I'll give you the room tour of our small hotel here in Los Angeles. Right in front of the door is already the bed. Yeah, queen size bed. And there's a sink and a very nice mirror. Hello. And then there's the overhead rain shower. Not too bad. There are some soaps over there, same thing, some towels, and this is where you piss. And then TV, of course, coffee machine. And we have a view. Yeah. There's a guitar center just right outside. Yeah. It's just like a small motel, honestly. That is it over here. Oh. And there's a cupboard, towels, pillows. And yeah, that is it. We will settle down for a while. Like across the street from our hotel. And yeah, I'm quite hungry. It's actually like almost dinner time, so we're gonna have like a late lunch slash dinner dish. Yeah, looking forward. I ordered like a smoked duck over rice. Yeah, so we're gonna see how is it. Some duck over rice. Then we have like a whole portion of like Thai fried rice, which is kind of huge. We have to share it with each other. And yeah, tom yum soup, which actually tastes nice. I just had some just now. And yeah, Thai ice milk tea, which is very sweet. You gotta try this if you're, into like very sweet, like boba tea and all. Let's dig in, guys. So we're here at the start of Hollywood. You can see all these the Walk of Fame starts from here. All these big names. Meryl Streep. La La Land. So we're here where the Oscars were, and it was yesterday, so they're just like backing up all their garage because they're named the Chinese Theater just in front of us, guys. Can't believe I'm actually here. Like all the celebrities have like set their footprints and all, and I'm just like walking here just casually. It's kind of funny. It's not so crowded tonight. It's surprising because yeah, probably because it's Monday, So you can actually watch a movie here at Chinese Theater. Now there's Dune, which is in IMAX, which is pretty cool. That's where they have the Oscars. There's a whole mall inside the Chinese Theater. Like I thought it was just a theater, but yeah, you can apparently just do your shopping, get coffee and all, just hang out, which is pretty cool. I did not know about this, guys. Look at all the fake Oscar medals. You can literally just buy and just, fake the photo. Okay, we're back in the hotel. We went to Ralph's. It's like a huge grocery store, and I just got some groceries and bananas and water. So yeah, I'm pretty tired because we just came back from the flight and then we went straight to Hollywood. So yeah, it was an interesting sight. A lot of questionable people were there, like you know, like drugged up people, and yeah, because we were there at night. So I wouldn't recommend you guys to go there at night. But yeah, it's certainly a sight for me. So yeah, that is I conclude the first day in Los Angeles. Hopefully yeah, we'll see more attractions, you know, and yeah, see more places that are pretty nice. Even though the people are, you know, questionable, but yeah, gotta get some sleep. So see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Good morning, guys, from our second day here in Los Angeles. Just walking on the streets. So today we'll be going more places. We're gonna go on a bus tour, hop on, hop off. We're just gonna be at the Hollywood Chinese Theater, which we were at yesterday. So yeah, it's pretty sunny out here. Good weather, like 18, 19 degrees over here. There's Ralph's, and yeah, we're gonna continue walking. So to actually give you a brief history of like where we're staying, is actually in West Hollywood, and a lot of musicians like Guns N' Roses, from what I know from the tour, is that they got this like guitar stuff, you know, at Guitar Center right just in front of us, and there are a couple of like nightclubs up ahead over here. This is where Sunset Boulevard is, and there's a lot of history along these roads, but it doesn't seem like it because they're, you know, homeless and drugged up people just walking around. But yeah, it's pretty interesting that, you know, there's like 100 years of history along these roads, you know. We're particularly in the music area, you know, there's a drum store over here, a guitar store. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Just a fun fact over here. Hello. Yeah. We have reached the top of Griffiths Observatory, just right over there. And wow, there's actually all these steep hills. The car needs to go up there. You can see the Hollywood sign in the distance there. Wow. Interesting.
Valley, eh?
Yeah. So So we're here at the second floor. So actually, if you're here on 7 p.m. onwards, you can go in that telescope. You can see kind of like a view of the stars up there. There's also a couple of telescopes, these big domes basically. Yeah, and there's the other one on the other side. But yeah, it's pretty nice. People just like hanging out, walking their dogs, playing ball. So yeah, we just completed the whole round in the Griffiths observatory. And if you're into like astrology, you know, the stars and the moon, a lot of the space stuff, you should come here. It's like a science museum inside of the whole thing. So yeah, pretty cool. Kind of worth because it's free and you get to see some light shows at night. Apparently when it's a little dark. But yeah, it's a pretty chill place, I would say. Highly recommend. Good evening guys, here at the farmers market. So yeah, we are right all the way, we were all the way from Griffiths Observatory, and yeah, we figured we'd get some dinner here at the farmers market. And they have a lot of fresh produce, so people would do marketing, get groceries, but also hang out or, you know, eat your meals over here. There's a bookstore right in front of me, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I believe they have everything here, so we're gonna explore guys. We're here at the entrance. The clock over there. Got myself an ice cream here. Vanilla. Okay guys, that was a good day, so I'll end off the video here. We're gonna get a lift back home. We're in a car park here waiting. So yeah, it was a fun day. It was one day, and tomorrow will be much more fun. See you guys.